Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we're going to go over how you replace these light bulbs. This one here is your clearance light and the brake light built in together. It's a double element light bulb. This one here, right here, is your blinker bulb, and this one right here is your reverse light. So when you put it in reverse, this lights up to light your way backwards and to let people know that you're backing up. And we'll also go over how you'd replace the license plate bulb light. So the way we get into this is we're going to have to pop the trunk, and then we'll go over how you would access the panels back there to be able to replace just the light bulbs. Right. So to be able to replace any light bulbs inside here, we first have to get inside the trunk, and the way we get to that is we go up into the cabin department and we push the button and this trunk will pop up. Push the button inside the door so the trunk will pop up and we will be able to have access to these things. Right? We're going to go over how you replace your license plate light. There's two ways. I'm going to show you the other way, but there are two ways. This, you can get something in here and you can push it forward or push it in there and push the tab, and then you can pull the whole light down. The problem is when you do that one, what happens is there's a seal here that you break, and it's a glue adhesive seal. So if you don't want to do that, it's just as easy to go up from the inside here. Okay, you remove these push pins. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's all you really have to do. You can remove more if you want, but you remove those 5, and then you can pull this down easily over that, pull it down, and up in here, you follow this wire. Oh, sorry, don't follow the wire. Follow this little wire here, and this is, you just twist that off, and that's how you get to the license plate bulb. Just go ahead, pull that out, and get your new one. These are like a 148 or 168. The actual number will be in the description. Then you take your new one, put it back in, make it snap in there, feel back up in here. You can get your head up in there, get them to line up where they need to go. And there's a picture of it. And once it's all lined up, just turn it a quarter turn to the clockwise. Quarter turn to the clockwise to put it back into place. Then you can go ahead and ease this all back up. Make it mold back up and push all your push pins back in. And that's how you go ahead and replace your license plate light. There's 2 license plate lights, so you would do the same for the other side. This one though, you're going to have to you'll probably have to remove this, or you just remove this push pin, this push pin, and you can be able to get over here without removing this little cover here. And that's the way you would go ahead and replace those, and that's the way you replace them from the back side or the inside, so that you don't disturb the seal that's on the back of the car there. And that's how you do that on your Mazda 3. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.